Okay, for most of you are already facing issue with the node installation and everything. Me, I'll try to uninstall my own node and show you from the beginning on how to run it. So for Windows users, so we'll start by, let me access my node first. I'll go to the app section of my setting to search for it and remove it. Node.js, good. This is it here. Uninstall. Install. Better fast forward it. So as you can see now, node will be uninstalled. And if I should go to my command prompt, which is cmd and run as administration, add administrator, you will see that npm -v will give me the error of npm is not recognized as an internal or external command. Same goes for node. When I run node to the same thing. So to install it, go to my browser, my Chrome browser, and then go for npm lts download. Go for the LTS version. That you download from the npm docs or you download from the main website, but I usually go for the main website. Then you select your version, Windows, using Chocolatey. This is if you want to install it using Chocolatey, which is your PowerShell, but I'm going for an installer. So go for this pre-built installer, the latest LTS version, which is 2014. You click on it. Windows, which app is your Windows running on? Mine is running on 64. Then I click on download, which has already downloaded before. I've already downloaded it before. You can see 20.14. So all I need to do is just to click it to start my installation. Yes, click it multiple times. Yes, finish, cancel, yes, finish, remaining one, next, accept, next. Take note of this part: program file Node.js Next, you're not changing anything. Yes, you're not changing anything. Add to path. Next, automatically install the necessary tools. Yes, install. Yes, just leave it. As far as you have a good internet connection, after the node install, you install all the tools that go alongside node. Now you see the offline installation I've completed, which is the Node.js. Then you click on finish. It's supposed to wait for the thing to pop up to install the tools. Then you press any key. Installation of chocolate and the rest start immediately. Many times I'll fucking tell this antivirus, Node.js is not ever. Seems that my antivirus shuts down the installation. Then to test for my npm and node again, cmd run as administrator. And test again npm. You'll see immediately you give me my version. But if it still shows you that npm not recognized, all you have to do is track down your installation folder, which is go to pc, your pc storage, local disk, your program file, your Node.js. This is your Node.js. Then you copy it, Ctrl C. Then on your Windows kit, type edit D. And if you type edit D, you see this control panel option. You click on it. Click on it. Then you come for this environment variable. Click on it. This part, select it. Then you check. Like you see now, the installation package, I've already placed it here. See, program file, Node.js. This is for the Git I've installed, MongoDB, Mongosh, and npm. You see the two now, npm and node is already there. So if you check yours, node and npm is not here, you check, rush to this folder file, you copy the file, click on new, you add it there. You check for npm. Npm is basically in administrator app data roaming npm. You copy it, you click on new, and you add it too. Just revert everything with cancel. Everything's back, yes, cancel. Then okay. When you are done, you reboot your command prompt again with cmd run as administrator. Then you check again. and it's supposed to work. Then you go to your file explorer, create a folder. Like me now, created mine here, and I look at disk, backup, website projects, HTML. Let me go for React. Oh yeah, we are doing React. So the test, this is the one I've already done. So I'll create another app, Ctrl Shift N of React app, then enter, open it, copy, go to my command prompt, cd, Ctrl V, it take me directly into my React folder. Then I install the global version of React. Install the global version of React, npm install -g. God, this one made disturb my life. Create React app. You wait for everything to install. Let the npm run everything. So you see. So now the global version has been installed. Nothing will be installed into your folder. As you see, my folder is empty when I put for listing. So after that, we now run the package installer to install it into the folder we just created, which should be npx nps create react app, then space with a dot. This dot now means you are installing the full package into this folder you are in. Maybe you want to create another folder, then you cannot cancel the dot and put my app. But I want to install it into this my React app folder, so I'm using a dot. Then everything will start downloading. npm will start executing the command and downloading it into